What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's goal, I want to try to hit this back road before I go to work. This video might get scrapped because I don't know if I have enough time, but I really want to hit this back road. Left the house a little later than I wanted to. Also, there's going to be a lot of traffic, so we'll see if it's even possible, but I figured I'd take this as an opportunity to record another POV while I work on my next video. Which, thank you guys for the support on the last video. I've been reading all the comments. I've been learning a lot, and I hope you guys learned a lot as well. But yeah, thank you for the support on that video. It is going crazy. I see y'all. Oh, man. I didn't want to stop at this light. We'll roll the windows down. Man, what I really want to buy is just a wind guard for the GoPro because, you know, I really like driving with the windows down. You guys can hear the exhaust better, and so can I, but the wind noise just gets unbearable past like 40 miles. So see, I could already hear the buffeting. I'm gonna invest in one of those. I'm gonna have that ready for the next POV. Yeah, I'm also saving up for an actual camera. I really want... Filming with the iPhone is great and all, but I don't know, it doesn't scratch that camera, that nice like DSLR camera with the microphone. It doesn't scratch that kind of itch. I want to get that sort of professionalism going. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna invest in one of those pretty soon here. Oh, not good, guys. My eyes are starting to water. Got to take care of that before we hit the back road. But yeah, this is the only back roads I have. I mean, it's not even really back roads. This is kind of just the residential area. This is how we get to the back roads. We're not actually at the back roads. Alright, we can stop messing around. Full tank of gas, decent pair of driving shoes. Alright. Yeah, I drive this back road all the time. But I haven't done it recently, I don't know why. I've mainly just been taking the highway, but this is the route that I take to my gym when I'm not using the highway, so. We're gonna be stuck behind these guys, really? I'd hope not. Let's see what direction they're turning. What car is that? What the heck? It looks like a Mustang S560 with some sort of aftermarket front bumper. Dang, boy, why are you all the way on him like that? Y'all seeing this? Look at this. Bro, he's just on this man. Yeah, that's why you don't ride. That's why you don't ride people's brakes, man. Oh, he's getting overheard that. Meanwhile, I lug my engine. Oh, he gave him the pass. I want the pass because I want to hit the back road. Yeah, that's ridiculous, man. To be riding up on someone like that. He doesn't have to give you the pass. Alright, let's pray this guy's turning left, guys. Let's pray this guy's turning left. Is the camera rolling? I can't even tell. Yeah, it's rolling. This man was trying to go crazy, man. I can't even hear the exhaust anymore, the road noise. Alright, tell me you're not going right, bro. Please tell me you're not going right. Turn left. No! Oh, man, we're gonna be stuck. I'm gonna be stuck behind these guys. Oh, well. I'm gonna go slow on purpose. Nah, I'm not gonna be like that. Share the public road. Oh, yes, you're turning. Traction control on, of course, because I'm not crazy. This is still a residential area. I'm in the wrong gear for this. But let's see how good the handling is here. Third should be really nice for this turn. Yeah, you gotta be careful. There's a lot of sand in this area. I can. I kind of want to hit a U-turn. If I knew how to do a handbrake turn, I would employ it right at the end of this track and just hit it again, but we ain't there yet. I do want to really, I think that's okay. I think this is a good time for me to talk about things I actually want to do with the car, because I'm sure I've said it before, but I don't really want to mod the car until I get at least one track day or like one autocross day, you know, something where I can beat on the factory suspension, because I really would feel bad if I just replace these brand new parts. I only have 10,000 miles on the car. Brand new parts. Car is dialed in from factory. Like, you got a lot of people talking about how good this car is just factory. I want to see what it can do. So that's the plan, is just to leave it stock until I at least get some sort of event in. Rather it be like a skid pad day, wet skid pad, autocross track day. But I don't know. Anytime it rains, I try to slide the car a little bit just to get used to the feeling. But I don't know, man. I really want to get like a skid pad day or something, because drifting this car, really fun. It's so easy. Well, easy to kick the tail out, I'll say that. Oh, my favorite turn is coming up. Hold on, we gotta take this in third. Yeah, we gotta take this in third. Oh shoot, I only have 15 minutes to get to work. This is not good. Oh shoot. Woo, long sweeping turn right here. The end. Oh, we're hitting it again. Let's get it. I don't care if I get honked at. We go Toge. Late to work. No, I never hit this at 100% because it's a public road. Also, I mean, it's a public road. Do I really need to say much? Like, of course I'm not gonna hit it at 100%. Also, I'm a noob driver, so. Oh, that 6th to 5th felt different. That went in like, there was no friction at all. Yeah, we're staying in the higher gears here. A little bit of braking. And I rarely hit it from this direction, so that's nice. Love this exhaust. gosh, that was loud. Oh, I was about to roll the windows down, but look at all this dirt. Yeah, no thanks, I'm good. Yeah, man, they're clearing out all these woods and just building neighborhoods. Nice little pond. This is what nature looks like in Florida. Also, I never hit this at night, only because like it's so close to houses, man. Like you don't want to do anything stupid at night. Ooh, my brakes right there. Yeah, I'm 100% gonna be late. But yeah, that's how pre-collision braking works. I need to upgrade the brakes. What I really want to get are... I really want to get the factory... It's not STI. But it's Brembo brakes. Made for this car. I think they're 4-piston. But yeah, that situation was 100% my fault. I was going a little quick. But yeah, you can hear my you can hear my brakes clicking. So yeah, I could imagine like on track, like when these things get hot, it's gonna be trash. So yeah, better pads and those factory brakes.